What's going on? It's Peyton here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the high ticket versus low ticket business model and explaining which one is better and why. Alright, so one of the biggest reasons why businesses fail is because they don't have a back end of high ticket products. They simply don't make enough profit from their low ticket items to be able to make up for advertising costs. You see, if you're in network marketing or affiliate marketing, or you're licensing someone's products and you're selling these low ticket items like lotions, potions, pills, and juices, then you're gonna have to make a lot of sales in order to make a good profit. Versus if you're selling a higher ticket item, you don't have to make nearly as many sales to hit your income target. So let's say that you wanna make $10,000 a month. Well, if you're selling a product for $50, you're gonna have to make 200 sales in order to hit that income target. But if you're selling a product for $1,000, you only have to make 10 sales. And if you're selling a product that's $5,000, you obviously only have to make 2 sales. Now you may be thinking that it's going to be a lot harder to sell a more expensive product, but that's not true, because as long as you're offering something of high value, there's always going to be people who are going to buy. Also, you're going to be doing the same amount of work regardless. Your advertising and everything else is going to stay the same, and you're going to be spending the same amount of money on your advertising. But if you have those higher ticket items in place, there's always going to be people who are going to buy them, and that's where you make real profit. The ultimate business model is the Ascension model. This is where you have your low ticket products to get people in the door, which are your front end products, so that they can experience what you have to offer, and then you have your back end high ticket products. The famous example of this is Apple. They get you in with the iPhone, and then before you know it, you're buying the tablet, their laptops, the iMac, etc. This is why they are so profitable and so successful, because they have an integrated product suite ranging from low ticket to high ticket products. If you don't have this back end in place, you're going to be missing out on a lot of profit. And this is when you become a slave to your business, because you have to make so many sales in order to make a good profit. These are the people that are trying to sell their family and friends and everyone they know because they have to make a ton of sales, instead of using leverage and automation to run their business. The easiest way to make the most amount of money without doing any extra work is to sell high ticket products. If you want to make real profits and scale your business fast, you have to have high ticket items in your product mix. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you can see why selling high ticket products are so powerful. If you want to learn more about digital marketing and you want to know the products that we license, then check out our free training course that we just released, where you will learn the 3 key things that you need to know as an online marketer. There's going to be a link for that below this video, so go ahead and check that out, and I will see you later. Peace.